In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own YouTube video intro using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in a search bar, type in the keyword YouTube intro. Here, there are thousands of templates and designs to choose from. To filter out the designs that you like, you can simply enable the filters based on the style, theme, pricing, and color scheme on the sidebar. You can also start from scratch if you would like to make your own design by clicking on the Create a Design button and type in YouTube Intro to start off with a recommended size. Once you've found the right design for you, you can now customize it. Make sure to also add the brand logo or the name of your YouTube channel and give the viewers an idea on what your channel is about. You can also explore millions of photos, illustrations, icons, videos, music, and more in Canva's extensive media library. You can also add frames and borders, stickers, and shapes. Then choose a unique color scheme and font style. To add some spice to your YouTube intro, use the Animate tool to add some movement to the elements. You can also upload your own images, clips, and artwork, and mix and match elements from different templates until you're happy with the result. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.